Our period of glory started with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Kingdom established, kingdom of heaven on earth established in the Arabian Peninsula. During the pious caliphate, it extended east, west, north. A very big chunk of the globe under the Muslim caliphate. After the caliphate, pious caliphate, the Khilafat al-Rashida, although Islam started declining, but Muslims were not declining. The Arabs, they became the imperialist power on earth. And for 400 years, they had the glory, the strength, the honor, the sciences, the philosophy, knowledge, power, everything. This is their first phase of the Muslims. I am not talking of Islam. Now it is the story of the Muslims, of the Ummah, not Islam. Islam, from the time when the pious caliphate came to an end, it went down and down and down and down and down and down, continuously. But the Muslims, they went up for 400 years, going up. But then came the first downfall. How closely resembling the history of Bani Israel. First of all, at the hands of the Crusaders. Jerusalem desecrated. Muslim massacre. All the cities of the Mediterranean coast taken by the Christians. Hundreds and thousands of Muslims massacred at the hands of the Crusaders. And then the second onslaught came from the east. Just as to them it had come from the east, from Iraq. Now farther from Iraq, it came from Tatars. The empire of Kharzm Shah gone, Iran gone, Afghanistan gone, trampled, massacred, Iraq. Till in the year 1258, last caliph of the Abbasid family, dragged out of his palace, wrapped in an animal skin, trampled under the feet of the horses of the Tatars. Crores of Muslims massacred. Please remember. Then there was just carbon copy of the same. A renaissance. But the difference here is that the renaissance didn't appear among the Arabs. The Arabs, so to say, the leadership of the Muslim Ummah was taken from them and it never returned to their hands after that. Snatched away. The ayah in the end of Surah Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, In tatawallaw yastabdil qawman ghayrakum. We have given you a very high position. Muhammad is from amongst you sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. In your language we have revealed our final book, final word. But if you turn back to this mission of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, we shall remove you and bring some other nation in your place. In tatawallaw yastabdil qawman ghayrakum. And this is actually what happened. The Tatars killed crores of Muslims, conquered many countries of the Muslims, but then they were conquered by the Islam. They accepted Islam. And the second rise of the Muslim Ummah is under the leadership of the Turks. Turkan-e-Taimuri in India, Turkan-e-Safavi in Iran, Turkan-e-Saljuqi in Middle East, Turkan-e-Usmani in the Asia Minor, and from Asia Minor to what a big chunk of Eastern Europe and the whole of the Northern Africa, the great Ottoman Empire. For 400 years again, zenith, power, strength, glory, everything. But then the fourth step, again the downfall. And as the second downfall to the Jews came at the hands of European powers, the Greeks and the Romans, in the same way exactly, The second downfall of the Muslim Ummah came at the hands of the European colonial powers. The Britishers, the French, the Italians, the Dutch, starting from Java and Sumatra, slowly and slowly, India. Then in the beginning of the century, great Ottoman Empire disappeared from the surface of the earth, or at least from the map of the world. History repeating.